Most people check their bank balance every day. Almost nobody knows their net worth. These are two completely different numbers. While a bank balance tells you what you can spend today, it often obscures whether you are making actual progress toward your long-term goals. Net worth is defined by one formula: assets minus liabilities. It is the only objective metric for measuring your financial momentum. We are going to calculate your exact financial baseline right now. This will take about 15 minutes. You'll need a way to write the numbers down and access to your checking, savings, and loan accounts. When you prioritize total net worth over monthly cash flow, financial decisions begin to align with long-term growth rather than just the next 30 days. Income is often mistaken for wealth, but a high salary does not guarantee a high net worth. Take a person earning $100,000 who carries $90,000 in debt and has $5,000 in savings. Compare that to someone earning $50,000 with zero debt and $40,000 in savings. The first has a net worth of negative $85,000. The second, positive $40,000. Despite half the income, the second person is $125,000 ahead. Income is what you earn. Net worth is what you keep. The objective is to move those two numbers move in the same direction. We'll start the ledger with your assets. An asset is anything you own that has extractable value. In the first column, list your liquid cash in checking and savings. Then add your investment accounts, including your brokerage, Roth IRA, and 401k. If you own a home or a car, list their current market value minus what you still owe on them. Only the equity counts toward your assets. The second column is for your liabilities. These are your outstanding legal debts. Catalog every balance you owe, including credit cards, student loans, auto loans, and your remaining mortgage balance. When listing credit cards, make sure you use the current balance you owe, not the total credit limit. Now, subtract the total liabilities from your total assets. That final number is your net worth today. Write it down. This is your baseline. Completing this list converts abstract financial anxiety into a concrete mathematical reality that you can begin to solve. Seeing a negative net worth on paper for the first time can be discouraging. Most people beginning their careers carry student loans or car debt that outweighs their initial savings, making a negative starting point common. For context, the median net worth for Americans under 35 is approximately $14,000. It rises to $91,000 for those 35 to 44 and reaches $213,000 by age 55. These averages provide a neutral snapshot of the country, but the only number that dictates your progress is your own historical baseline. There are exactly 3 mechanical levers that can change the trajectory of your net worth. The first lever is to earn more. Increasing your income through a raise or a better job provides more capital to add to your asset column. The second lever is to spend less. Every dollar you do not spend is a dollar that stays on your ledger as an asset. If you reduce your monthly spending by $200, you add $2,400 to your net worth every year. The third and most effective lever is to invest the difference. This allows your existing assets to grow on their own through compounding. Historically, money in an index fund grows at about 7% a year. $10,000 invested today would grow to $38,000 in 20 years without any additional contributions. Every financial move you make, from paying off a loan to building an emergency fund, is simply an act of pulling one of these 3 levers. You should update your net worth ledger once every 3 months. Tracking your balance daily or weekly is often counterproductive. Retirement accounts and home values fluctuate constantly. Short-term dips in the market are normal and do not reflect your long-term health. The only question that matters is whether your total net worth was higher this quarter than it was the last. If it went up, your strategy is working. If the number goes down, the ledger will show you exactly which lever needs to be adjusted, whether you need to increase your income, cut spending, or reevaluate your investments. This content is for educational purposes only. Net worth figures vary by individual, and this is not financial advice. Your net worth provides a specific summary of your financial progress. Tracking it consistently allows you to adjust your strategy based on the data you've gathered. To see how to pull the most effective lever, watch our investing tutorial next.